Hey, I wasn't gonna do this review, bruh, because I feel like ain't nobody want this shoe. But I gotta get it in my hand so I can see if I want this shoe or not. And y'all can see if y'all want it or not, man. So, hey, come with me, man. It's brick cold out here, but they ain't stopping the show. Let's go. Hey, just like I expected, ain't nobody want the shoe. And you know, to be honest, the shoe ain't even that bad for real. Like, I don't even know what people's beef is with it. Like, I had it in my hand and I was like, yo, the quality of this is fire. The quality is up there. Like, I don't know what people hating on it. Something smells good out here, bro. I don't know what they cooking. All right, so I'm back at the crib, man. And listen, man, we've been doing a lot of like vlog style pickup videos here on the channel. But man, I'm gonna tell you like this, man. If you haven't watched the last video, or maybe you ain't been watching any of the videos, maybe you new to the channel, man, but we just hit 1K, man. Let's go to everybody to hit that subscribe button, let's hit that like button, to share the video, that's told a family member, that told a friend to pull up on this channel, man. I'm just so grateful that we've hit 1K. I'm grateful that I wasn't so down and out that I gave up, you know what I'm saying, at like 500 or 200 or 50 subscribers. Here's to everybody out there that's trying to be consistent for 2024. Keep going, run your race at your own pace, and you're gonna get there according to God's time. So y'all know I was at Hibbett Sports, so I had to walk in and pick up a pair of sneakers to bring to the channel. I was debating about this one. I've said that a lot. This was the first Jordan 1 release of 2024, and it didn't seem like a lot of people cared about it. But I'm bringing it to the channel anyway, because we don't care what they think. This Mud Talk Radio over here, man. Y'all watching? So the box reads, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colors are yellow. How we pronounce that word again? Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color is yellow ochre, black, and sail. Y'all heard that right. I pronounced that right. Ochre. Thanks to Google and my wife, who I had to practice that. I'm not even finna cap to y'all. Y'all know when y'all come to this channel, we're gonna keep it 100% transparent. We're not perfect over here. We don't have all the answers over here, but yellow ochre, that's what it is, man. Size 12, you see it. Let's get into the box. All right, top is off the box. And you got your standard Jordan 1 paper. A lot of it, might I add. And this is a thing they've been doing lately. Maybe it's the new standard for them to wrap up each pair individually, but we about to unwrap this Christmas present. Well, late Christmas present. Goodness gracious, man. Boom. Ooh, and right away on the, man, come on, Jordan brand. Y'all see it. Glue stain right there. Boom. It sucks because I have a very interesting opinion about this shoe. All right, man, so we got the Air Jordan 1 yellow ochre, and I'm gonna be honest, bruh. I don't know if Jordan brand has realized, I don't say I don't know. I know they know that people ain't rocking with Jordan 1s like that no more. They really only wearing them if they're OG releases. Like if an OG release come out, people are going to grab them. And I ain't talking about a remade version of an OG. I'm talking about the actual remake of the original. Not some remaster with different materials and different places and colors in different places, like a real OG. And because of that, a lot of people ain't really been copping Jordan 1s lately. Listen, when you come to this channel, we're gonna talk about what's fashionable, what I deem to be fashionable, what I like, and what I believe that if you put it on, they gonna go wanna buy the shoe. And so that's what we do over here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. And this shoe is definitely a candidate. I'm gonna tell you why. The quality of leather on this shoe, if you can see it right here, they did not play around. They did not play around. They're like, look, For 2024, I'm tired of y'all playing with our head tops on these Jordan 1s. Like y'all act like y'all don't like them no more. Y'all been crying about the quality and stuff like that. So we about to give you the best possible quality that you can even imagine. And the leather on here is amazing. Look at that suede. Just in the words of my bro LEC, kicks buttery, parquet. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Hey, beautiful, smooth, man. I tell you like this. Very clean colorway, man. The leather quality is amazing, man. You got that sail midsole on there. And check out the sole, man. Yellow right there, or ochre. Sound like I'm saying okra. But anyway, do you like ochre? I like fried okra, man. Let's not get off topic now. You put it in the cup, my wife, woo! So fried okra with some hot sauce. Stop playing around with me, man. But anyway, let's get back on topic. Beautiful, beautiful shoe, man. Tell me what y'all think. So we're gonna grab the second shoe real quick, man. As always, do a side-by-side comparison because you saw that the first shoe right here already has a glue stain right here on the front, on the toe cap. It's very, very noticeable right there. But I'm looking at the second shoe and I don't see anything on the toe cap. So it's a bit disappointing that it's actually a scuff and a glue stain right there. A scuff and a glue stain. As I'm looking at the back, and we got this tag right here. I'm trying to figure out what this, please note the upper material is nubuck leather. Okay, here's a fact for y'all. The upper material is nubuck leather. Top color and base color of the leather will pollute the shoe during manufacturing process, and the color will be brushed off after wearing, which is normal for this leather application. So I guess they're giving us a warning about this shoe. I've never seen that type of tag on a Jordan 1. Let me know if you've seen it on any sneaker. But hey, this came directly from Hibbett Sports, reputable dealer, no second hand, no, hey, my man, I got these in the trunk. These came from the spot. So for a retail price point of, what was it, $180, $190? What a bag at, baby? Let me see that receipt real quick. Y'all, because I'm telling y'all, we're going to be authentic over here. 2024, y'all got to be yourself. Stop playing. Be you, and you're going to be all right. Yeah, retail price point of $180 plus tax, $192.60 out the door. You can own you a pair of these Jordan 1s. Listen, I'm gonna be honest, I believe this is a very, very nice shoe. This is a shoe I would keep. If I can go back and they got a size 12 without the glue stain, I'm getting it all day and with some joggers and just chill out, man, and really do this thing. I mean, some jeans. It's a Jordan 1, bro. You can really go there with this shoe. I could wear a suit, in which I'm probably about to pick up another suit. My first suit of 2024. I got my first suit last year of my life. No, I take that back. I apologize to my grandma and my auntie because they bought me suits when I was a kid for Easter. That count, right? All right, that count. I love y'all, by the way, grandma, auntie, if y'all watching. But yeah, I got my first suit as an adult, and it was pretty fire. You know what I'm saying? It was pretty fire. My wife, she said it was fire. So I'm gonna go back, like my boy Toby say, fire. So I'm gonna go get me another suit, and I think this is a candidate to wear with a suit, man. I really could wear with the black suit for real, and really do my thing with it. How you style this shoe? Go various different ways. Wide leg jeans, joggers, flare leg jogger. Man, you name it, bro. It's cold. It's been real cold. We've been caught up in a polar vortex. Bro, it's been like 15 degrees in the morning over here in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, bro. I'm talking about freezing. So put you on some clothes, man. Take advantage of this winter weather and really layer up. Bring your big coats out, your sweaters, your cardigans, however you do it, man. Be warm and get fly, man. That's what we're gonna do. So I gotta rate this shoe before I get out of here. I gotta rate this shoe. And I'm gonna be honest, a lot of people might not agree with this. I've had people lately dropping comments underneath the CB94 video about my rating being too low on the CB94s. Listen, I told you, if I rate a shoe low and I also follow that up with saying that I would keep the shoe in my collection, that means that low rating, it ain't as low as you think. It ain't as low as you think. I haven't given out a lot of 9s, and I don't think I've ever given a 10 out of 10. Have I ever given a 10 out of 10 on this channel? Y'all can fact check this, but you're gonna have to watch some videos in the archive to find out. Anyway, coach, give them the rating. All right, so the rating, man, for the Jordan 1 yellow ochre, man, We're gonna go 7.5 out of 10, man. 7.5 out of 10. This is a very smooth shoe. I like the colorway. I'm loving the quality of leather on this shoe, and nubuck leather, as that tag says right there, so be careful. But just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. You got black laces in there. Oh, we do. Hold on, before we get out of here, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Alternate pair of laces. You got a white pair. But most likely, I would keep the black in there. I don't know if I would rock the white in there. Let's keep the black, because the black is very smooth. But 7.5 out of 10. Let me know if you think that's too high. Let me know if you think that's too low. Are you off the Jordan 1 train completely? Let me know in the comment section. But as always, man, smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button, man, if you're enjoying this content. But you know the saying, man. Love is free. Hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.